back to another LSPDFR tutorial. I'm going to show you how to install Stop the Ped. So link to this mod will be in the description, but I'm going to click download. I'm going to open the file, Stop the Ped, and 3/9/2024. So that is a newer version in mine. So what I'm going to do is, since this is a newer version of mine, I can... No, not that one. Not that one. Not that one. Since it's a newer version of mine, I'm going to drag and drop in my directory. Alright, and that is Stop the Ped. That's how you install Stop the Ped. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.